Welcome to the XFO Intelligence Podcast, where we explore the future of problem solving. I'm Alex.
And I'm Ben. Today, we're diving into the core philosophy behind our work, articulated in the article The Intelligence Symphony by XFO's founder, Brandon S.C. Wong.
This article completely reframes the AI conversation. We're used to hearing it's either our savior or our doom, but both stories make the same mistake.
Exactly. They treat AI as an external force that happens to us, when the real power lies in deep partnership between human and artificial intelligence. But first, we need to understand the core problem Wong identifies, the scarcity of intelligence.
Not that people aren't smart, but our cognitive bandwidth is limited. A brilliant doctor can only hold so many cases in mind. A city planner can only model a few traffic scenarios. We're constrained by our biological hardware.
And this creates what the author calls cognitive entropy, wasted mental energy from inefficient strategies, reinventing the wheels, applying linear thinking to exponential problems like climate change.
So how do we break this cycle? This is where the symphony metaphor comes alive. Humans and AI are complementary halves of a whole intelligence.
The human masters why: purpose, context, ethics, creativity. We're the composer and conductor. The AI masters how: scale, speed, computational power to analyze vast datasets and spot patterns we'd never see. It's the orchestra.
Alone, each is incomplete. Humans have vision, but limited execution power. AI has power, but no purpose. Together, they form a complete problem-solving engine.
This is the core of the deep augmented thinking method, the collaborative flywheel. It's a recursive loop. Let's walk through the water system example. Step 1, humans set goals and ethical constraints. Not just design a water system, but design one that's fair, sustainable, and improves health.
Step 2, AI explores millions of solutions within those constraints, modeling efficiency and outcomes. Step 3, humans provide ethical validation, choosing solutions that empower communities over pure efficiency.
Step 4, that feedback becomes new constraints for the AI. The flywheel turns again, now seeking solutions that are both efficient and empowering. It's an anti-entropy machine, systematically eliminating waste and channeling energy towards optimal, wise outcomes.
But this requires an ethical foundation. Ethics isn't a filter applied at the end. It's the operating system of the partnership, embedded from the start through frameworks like AI 5GP, the 5 guiding principles for ethical AI.
When you combine ethical foundations with the collaborative flywheel, the implications are staggering. Doctors creating personalized treatments in seconds. Teams designing optimized city districts in an afternoon. We're talking about true abundance of solutions, health, time, and understanding.
It reframes our choice, not whether to embrace AI, but what kind of intelligence we build. Will it be alien and monolithic, or a partner that amplifies the best of humanity? The most intelligent system isn't the one with the most processing power, but the one with the wisest purpose.
That's our vision at XFO Intelligence, building partners to think with, guided by our deepest values. Before we close, here's a question for you. If you had such a partner, what's the first complex problem you'd ask it to help solve?
Thanks for joining us on the XFO Intelligence Podcast. I'm Alex.
And I'm Ben. Until next time, keep exploring the future of problem solving.
And remember, the Intelligence Symphony is just beginning.